Alright, so we're back on the Simon Jaron channel here. And today we have the walk around for Old Blue, my 1975 one-ton flat deck truck. First thing we're gonna do here is start her up. Gotta go grab the keys. This is a cold start. It is pretty cold here at -10, which is like -15 Fahrenheit. This is it. It's got the Amera 550s on it. I actually painted those white letters on myself for extra speed. Small block 350 motor in it. It's got these white bumpers. Yep. Oh yeah, obviously it has the decal on here. Old Blue, because it's old and it's blue. Got the 12-foot deck here, so that I can haul other junk home. It only has 93,000 original kilometers on it. It's got this nice surface rust here. Take a look inside here. So this thing is absolutely basic. It's got the rubber, stock rubber floor mats. Doesn't have carpet in here. Just this synthetic seat. It's a 4-speed. Even has the original radio. And it's super slow. So I'm running 245s on the front. And I got 295s on the back, and the reason for that is because of the 4-speed gearbox. It's actually really slow, but if you put bigger tires on the back, it kind of gears it up a little. The license plate, which I took off, sits under there, so you can't get pulled over by well, if you like speed through a traffic light, you can just go because the camera can't get you at that angle. It does roll coal a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see that. So it is partially diesel. Oh yeah, and it has these sick mud flaps on it. And if you're from Alberta, you'll understand. That's about it. It's a pretty fun truck. There's nothing special about it except that it's old, it's blue, and it's a Chevy square body. Like and subscribe to this video, and we'll see you in our next video.